I'm Jared Gabriel and I'm the new ceramics instructor here at the Valley Arts Center, and today we are going to learn how to center clay. So I've started out here with about 2 pounds of clay, and I'm going to slap it down right in the center there. Get your hands wet, and you want it to be moving as fast as you can manage it, right? So now for all of us athletes out there, we're going to start in a 3-point stance. We're going to put the clay right between both of our hands with our palms kind of angled down. We're not going to squeeze because that clay is coming towards us. We're going to let the clay do all the work. So I'm just pressing and forcing that clay up into the air, right? A lot of people make the mistake when they center the clay, they center the outside of the clay and it looks centered, but what's going on inside the clay is not centered, and then it's going to be much more difficult to throw. So we want to do that about 3 times. I press it down and I bring that centered back up. See how it's still uncentered there? Nice wobbly. I'm going to force it back down. And then I do that. I bring it back up. It's getting a little bit better. This should be my last one. Now that I've got that inside centered, I want to create a ball with a continuous curve over the top. So you don't want to start out with this clay with a little bump or nub on top here, because that's going to be harder to open. So I'm going to roll my palm over and I'm going to just gently press it down and tuck that right back in and create a nice continuous curve over the clay.